Hey everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips, and in this video we're going over how to install the Ant GTK theme. So to get started, you're going to need a terminal open and you're going to need to install Git. Now, what you should do once you get Git installed is just go to CD into User Share Themes. So once you're there, you can go to the GitHub page and all of this info will be in the link below, but copy the GitHub Git page URL thing and then just do sudo -s gain root and then do git clone and then the link, it will clone it into the ant folder, and if you do an ls we can see that it installs directly here, and then from there we can go to appearance and we can go to Ant and we can apply our Ant theme. So we've got the style and we can go to font settings and all of this other stuff, change the icon themes. And because I'm using XFCE, I'll have to, because I'm using XFCE, I'll have to show you the window manager stuff. So for theme, we'll have to change that to Ant as well. And that is Ant. They've got a bunch of different styles. I just installed the traditional one. There's also a lot of other ones that you can check out. It's like a theme pack that they've got. And that is how you install Ant. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are going to install this, I would recommend installing the icon pack that it recommends, and the icon pack is called Boston. So the Boston icon theme is right here. Anyways, guys, I will see you in the next video.